Hello, busy professional. Welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and I welcome you to another video about Superhuman. Those who follow us know we love Superhuman because there's no other email management tool that helps us to burst through your email inbox as quickly as Superhuman is. We are so convinced of Superhuman that it became the tool where we show how we implement our concepts and workflows that we teach in our email management course. If you haven't already watched this course, make sure to check out the Paperless Movement membership where you can get free access to it. And now they even went a step further. They also implemented AI. And now let's see today in this video, how good is the AI inside Superhuman.
Paperless movement, your productivity, your way.
So here we are. Inbox nearly zero as usual in Superhuman, and I just left a promotional email, and now let's use this email in order to test out Superhuman AI. So in order to access Superhuman AI from any place, you can use Command J and it will open up directly a new email. So let's write something, welcome a new Paperless member, and then we hit Command J for commands or hit Command J again to write a draft. So that's the difference. So now we're writing a draft. I hit enter and it's writing either I want to officially welcome you to the new Paperless movement. And I could have added a lot more context in order to make this more refined email. So now I could say accept, retry, shorten. Okay, then it makes it shorter. I can lengthen it, I simplify it, fix spelling and grammar, rewrite in my voice. And I really love this, rewrite in my voice, as it uses the typical way how I write emails. Another way obviously is to answer to emails. So let's go into this email and hit Command J and see what we have there. So it says write a draft. I hit Command J again, instruct the AI. I can say summarize conversation. You see everything from my keyboard, and now I can have everything at a glance what is in this lengthy email. All right. So I delete this, I hit Command J and say not interested, not interested. And now let's see, hey Max, thanks for reaching out and offering the opportunity to participate in context. So you see there's actually context to the email above or the conversation above, and it includes the email conversation in here. Now I can say accept, and then I could just hit Command Enter and it will be sent. Another way is to click here and it is the same thing. That's the great thing in Superhuman. I like to have this in any tool. If you hover over something, you always get the command, the shortcut. Now let's try to find a longer conversation. Here's a conversation that I had with Daria from MeetGeek on Slack. So this is just Slack notifications. Let's see what the AI implementation does for us here. It says already summarize conversation. And there we go. It easily summarizes this as well. And that's about it. There's not so much more that AI in Superhuman can do right now. It helps you really to save time again, because you don't have to get to ChatGPT and write it there and bring it back. And it also is great that it has the context base, so I can always summarize the conversations very easily. However, I would love to see a lot deeper integration where I say, okay, show me all the relevant emails about X. When did the conversation start for the first time? List all the conversations from this person, right? So I could obviously use search, but if search would have a bit more AI support, this would be really awesome. So let's see what Superhuman comes up with in the future. We are very confident that they won't stop here, as they just released also the Salesforce integration. So they're really pushing hard to add more features over time. We really hope they keep their pragmatism in Superhuman. It's not over bloating what is available. So it stays as simple and as accessible as it is right now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're really serious about your inbox zero daily, then I highly recommend to watch our email management course, where we show you tool agnostic concepts and workflows to get to inbox zero on any email provider. But then there's also a 30-minute implementation part where I show you exactly how we use Superhuman at the Paperless movement to get the most out of it and to achieve inbox zero in no time. And if you're one of the people who really have hundreds or more 100 emails in there and really feel overwhelmed, there's even an emergency lesson that helps you to get to inbox zero in minutes. So just go to paperlessmovement.com and check out what we have to offer. And if you join the Paperless Movement membership, I'll be in there personally to welcome you and help you to succeed. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so I can catch you up next time here.